It's been long. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today is a beautiful day. It's another day. Today is Friday, but there's a little issue. I wanted to do a get ready with me video where I do my makeup and everything, but I couldn't do it in the morning, so I decided to do it in the night. And there's another little problem. I cannot film now. I'm going to watch the Holy Ghost Holy Ghost service today. So, and that will take like a few hours. So probably when I'm done, I'll come back. So I'll see you guys in 3 hours. It is currently 2 AM and I still want to do this thing. So guys, I want to do my makeup like my sister had already scattered the plan. Well, it's 2 AM and I still want to do it. So I have to do my makeup and do my foundation. So like, I don't know, I'm having mixed feelings if I should still do it or not, but I will still do it, sure.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Smiling while you're cursing, I admit it's working. You're